They say investing is only for the rich, that you need thousands, maybe tens of thousands, just to get started. But that's the biggest lie Wall Street ever sold, because today, you can start building wealth with just $50. And the earlier you start, the faster your money grows into something you never thought possible. Before we continue, hit subscribe, because on this channel I'll show you how to turn small steps into life-changing wealth. Most Americans believe investing is complicated, or out of reach. So they wait. They tell themselves, I'll start when I make more money. But here's the truth. If you wait until you're ready, you'll never start. And that $50 today? It's worth more than $5,000 tomorrow. Let's run the math. $50 a month invested in an index fund returning 8% annually, in 30 years, becomes over $75,000. Double that to $100 a month, you're looking at $150,000. And if you keep increasing your contribution as you earn more, you cross the $1 million mark faster than you think. The secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Here's where to start. Index funds and ETFs. Skip stock picking, buy the whole market. S&P 500 ETFs give you exposure to Apple, Tesla, Amazon, all in one. Dividend ETFs. Companies that pay you every quarter, reinvest the dividends, and your snowball grows faster. Fractional shares. Can't afford a $3,000 Amazon stock? Buy $10 worth. Fractional investing makes any stock possible. Automate it. Set your app to invest $50 every month. No emotions, no excuses, just steady growth. When you move from Paycheck to portfolio, everything changes. Suddenly, you're not working for money. Your money is working for you. And it doesn't matter if you start small, because wealth isn't built on what you have today. It's built on what you're willing to do consistently. $50 today can become financial freedom tomorrow. The only question is, will you start? Don't wait, don't hesitate. Subscribe to Gen Z Dollar and let's turn your paycheck into a portfolio.